these last couple days, really the price action just on everything has been floating and lame and side to side. And, you know, I'm like, man, I'd rather not stay up all night waiting for nothing, wishing and hoping for something. Nice little basic strategy birdie, a nice little basic strategy birdie. And all crypto goes up and down together. It all goes together. Yeah. So, I mean, there's no juice in Bitcoin. What are you going to do? Trade this when I can just, if Bitcoin looks bullish, I'll go long on shitcoins. If it looks bearish, I'll go short on shitcoin. And we're not really trading with a big sum of money. And really, this ain't the time to hold the trades. I should honestly fucking get out of this. Look at that. Got a little momentum building up here. A little backside heavy money flow, but momentum is fighting. It's fighting, curving up to the upside, fighting a curve to the upside. Weird time frame, but in weird times, we're not afraid to use weird time frames. All time frames matter. And Ethereum is right now like just almost just as bad. Ethereum just as bad. Ethereum is like doesn't even have a future. And so I think right now trading these shit coins where these you know top, I don't even know if it's the top 10, top 20 shit coin, they have liquidity, you know, where they got enough liquidity where you can fire off a little bit on it and actually make something. I mean, look how quick we made that move, but you got to take the money when it's there. This holding shit ain't gonna work. You know what I'm saying? This is not the time to fucking sit in trades and hold it and wait for a miracle to happen until the environment changes, until something changes. You know, look, we were just at 70,000 up here, and now it's down to what, 55, 57. That's how it goes, man. That's how it's going. But this does have some hope. It does have some hope, but it's running into immediate short term. We'll scrape off a little bit on here, and we'll trim a little fat off the beef, because if this puppy comes back down again, we'll the way things are looking, we'll trim the fat out the beef and make a steak. Not a mistake, but a steak. This 10 minutes been building up. I mean, look at this. Look how this one turned out. This one turned out well. You know, we're already up here fighting up against some resistance. But we're still down here. It's still fucking down here. But, you know, the way things have been moving, you don't need to long tops and short bottoms. You can kind of wait. But yeah, the last few days, I've just been taking it easy. I've been taking it easy, making sure, because you know, with these, I will say with these shit coins, there ain't no going to sleep. You're never going to get your alt season, bro. The alt seasons are never coming back. There is no such thing. There's how many shit coins now in the memes, and it's like anyone who says, if you're a quote unquote meme trader, you're just a fucking retard and you're getting scammed, unless you are the scammer and you're the one making them. Ain't no one trading no memes for no real money, and that just ain't the way to do it. It's not healthy, and hopefully you get lucky a couple times, but they don't even last a day anymore. They don't even the Trump coin didn't last. They fucked that one up. Boy, I tell you, you want to look for a good short, man. You can short Trump coin. That shit's never coming back. If that comes up, perma short. You low leverage it. Low leverage perma fucking short Trump coin. They made it clear that they're not going to be. They're gone. They're gone. Yeah, we got momentum clipping right here. Not saying that this can't obviously continue, but this is. I mean, we got to take some profits here. Again, on these shit coins, it's willy wonky. We sliced some fat off the beef. And if things start going up again, curving again, you know, it's not about being perfect. Boy, this might be it. This could be it. But before we got market open, we might have to yank this shit, man. We were at 70,000, down to 44,000 can join. I'm telling you, this ain't the place to fucking sit in your fucking trades. But we're gonna sit in this one since we're streaming. Listen, all these crypto communities are delusional. At the end of the day, no one gives a shit. No one's and these shit coins aren't gonna ever go mainstream. We're just in this for the money. That's it. Come on now. Ain't no grandma gonna wake up and be like, "Oh, what's on my shit Solano today?" Hell no, bro. Fuck XRP, dude. Fuck XRP. That is, I've had maybe 3 trades my whole life that have been successful trading Ripple. Yeah, I ain't no Ripple trader, bro. Especially with big money, way too risky. Bitcoin's where it's at, man, but right now Bitcoin isn't where it's at. Yeah, I don't mind investing into my business. I don't mind investing into this. You know what I'm saying? And it doesn't have to come all the way back down. This is a game of probabilities in long-term vision, you know? You might do the wrong thing and be right once, maybe even twice, but the third time it's going to fuck you. Small wins, small losses, big wins. Am I staying? Are we streaming till market open? Boy, that's a tall order. You're asking me to be here for 2 more hours? 2 more hours? Oh boy. Valentine's Day. Oh boy. 2 more hours. It's a lot easier when the price is going up. I'll tell you what. Boy, if the price starts going up, I'll stay. If this comes down to my entry and I'm fucking exiting and we walk away with the 20G, I'm out of here. It depends, bro. It's up to the charts, and right now the charts are looking like I'm gonna be out of here in fucking 30 minutes. Nah. If they're looking like we might not even make it 15. Oh boy, closer and closer. Closer and closer, boy. Closer and closer. It's gonna get to the entry, inch us out, and it gotta. Let's go, baby. Hammer that out. Hammer it out. Oh, if I get out, it's going to go up again. You know what? Okay, even if it does, guess what? Half the time it's going to. The price can only do 2 things, go up or down. So that's 50-50. But you're better off if you get out and let's say it does reverse. That's okay because it's the time where you hold it and it keeps on going that wrecks you, and you don't. We're supposed to be fucking grown-ups in this space, and I'm only touching on this subject because I told you guys about the how should I say this acquaintance who got wrecked on ETH. What was it, last week? And I told you guys the story, but man, I told him, I'm like, dude, I think you're fucked. And he lost like 150 G's, 100 G's, just holding on to a shitter ETH trade. It was just going down, 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 down. Then he doubled it. And I'm like, man, he even handed me his phone. And I was like, I should have closed the trade for him and just be like, dude, yeah, your subconscious wanted me to close this damn trade. You hand me his phone. I'm closing the damn trade. I should have done that for him. But you live and learn. But man, I'm telling you, the guy's been in the business for kind of, a while too. And I'm like, damn. You're talking like a fucking noob right now, bro. I'm like, I want to counter trade everything you're doing. Like that movie where Steve Carell goes, I want you to short everything that Asian guy's talking about. Damn, look at her go. Look at her go. These are beautiful candles. These are nice and tight too. It's not just like one, but like these ones. These are slow, consolidated huevos. These are some huevos. It has to go up and down. Totally natural. Totally natural. Let's take another look here. Let's take another look here. Oh, look what popped up. Look what popped up right on the X. Momentum clipping. We got 12 and a half minutes. 12 and a half minutes. Let's take a look at, let's enhance. Okay. All right. A nice rounded VWAP oscillation. Right. A little bit deeper of a momentum wave than we wanted, but the market is not open yet. It's totally understandable. So 20-minute looking like, what are these looking like? Okay, so it's curving a little bit on the 20. VWAP, interesting big oscillation. Folks, boy, how terrific would it be when we see this, just boom, boom, then whammy, out the gate. Come on now. And listen, here the whole time. Been here the whole time. Live. The indicator is Market Cipher. You go to marketcipher.com or marketciphertrading.com. We've been doing it we've been here for over damn near 10 years. All experience levels. Born in crypto, but works on anything that can be charted. Stocks, you name it. We've been here, bro. We've been here. Market Cipher. Shit, we haven't pulled up the testimonials in quite some time. Let's take a look. Okay, looks like people are posting profit logs. logs in the testimonial section, you're supposed to, you know, write something, you know, at least a few sentences like this. I know you're proud, but this is for the log channel. This is for the log channel. That's why it says profit logs only. And that doesn't mean no losses. People post their losses too. I'm just saying that there's a place where you just post a picture of your gains or losses, and there's a place where you post your picture and write something nice. To write something nice in the testimonials, but that's okay. Damn, we got a lot of new ones. Jesus, damn, these people are crazy. Look at these people. Anyways, you get access to the Discord. How have the memes been? How have the memes been? Okay, so we're supposed to. Okay, let's see here. Oh boy, I haven't looked at the memes channel long. We haven't been here in a long time. What the hell is this shit? It's supposed to be like related. Here we go. Okay, so here's like a. See, these are memes related to us with PHEMEX. This don't look like a meme that's related to us, and I don't know what the fuck this is right here. But yeah, these are this isn't a place to post standard shit. Oh god. All right. I'm just whatever. The more people use it, the less it works. No, that's the total opposite. Okay. That is such a. What do you mean the more people that use it, the less it works? It's the total opposite, bro. It's the total opposite. The more people who use it, the more it works. Just like Fibonacci's and every fucking thing else. Do Fibonacci's work? Do the RSI's still work? Do moving averages still count? A lot more people using that than Market Cipher. That shit still apparently worked, doesn't it? Well, doesn't it? That whole fallacy. I don't know why it's like I don't know what it is with trades. You know what it is? It's pencil necks. Pencil necks have a strong root in the trading community. So dumb shit has been spread to innocent people like yourself. Some pencil neck out there told you that the more people who use it, if something works, you got to keep it a secret or else it's not going to work anymore. It's the opposite. If you have something that works, you're supposed to share it. It's the opposite of what you're told. The pencil neck led you wrong, my friend. We've been here all night. We've been having a great night. We had a great trade. We longed Suey. We took profits and we kept on the stream. We wanted to continue the stream and we're in, and we're back in. And what time is it? Wow, time is going by. Oh my gosh. We only have 1 hour until market open. I said if it goes into the red, I'm only gonna stream in the green. I'm only gonna stream in the green. We're hanging on by a thread. It could happen any moment. Any moment. We got to make it through another hour. Who knows? Let's go, baby. Let's get it on. Get it on. Someone's got to do it. Someone's got to walk you through it. Someone's got to show you how to do it. Someone's got to walk you through it, folks. We've been here all night. Been here all night. Let me show you now what we did. Okay. Now we're on the 15-minute. We're on Suey. Okay. We entered the trade. Money flow we had money flow curvature. Momentum's been coming up. You know what I'm saying? RSI's green, but it's been a little flunky, a little weird, you know. Took the long. Now, in between. See, we have momentum is really in this channel right now. Clip up, clip, price come down, came down, clip, price go up, clip, price come down, clip. And we assumptive measured and drew when this wave was just right here. We said, okay, let's draw our assumptive line. And then we draw the line on the bottom. X marks the spot. We need this momentum wave to be higher than the previous one, a higher low, what we call a trigger wave, for us to have a chance to do the dance. And folks, we got ants in our pants. Leading indications, leading setups. Now, is there always a confident move? No, just like anything else. Are there more windows and confident moves than you've had before? Abso-fucking-lutely. It's fun when the plan comes together. And you know, no one said that knowing the future was easy. No one said that when you are showing the future that it's easy. Why? Why? I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Because when you see the future, nobody else does. And the mob, the plebeians, you see the truth, and the plebeians want to be lied to. They've been lied to, program them to their brains. When you show them their future, they get offended. They get offended, and you just, okay. You just let them be. Pearl before swine. You give everyone a fair shake. You give everyone a fair chance. But if they just can't handle the truth, let's fucking go, baby. Let's go. Excuse me for cursing. I don't mean to curse, but yeah, it's fun when we do this all live, you know, when it plays out. Got the plan. We had a plan. We had a plan. Oh man, I wish I want to take profits. I want to take profits. Big head and shoulder. Look at that right there. We could probably draw all kinds of shapes. We could convince ourselves in all types of ways. $370s, that's all we need. $370s. We're a dime away. We just need a dime. Give me a dime. 10 cents. It's time to flop and grope. See what these momentums are looking like. Potential pinch. Potential pinch. Fuck. Son of a bitch. I'm sorry for cursing. Boy, you know, God, you only have so much time. I mean, you have to, you know, you got to be in and out quick. Got to be quick if you want them gains, man. I'm telling you. Shit happens too damn fast. Oh.
Been buying this crypto like ain't no tomorrow, cause I do not want to beg, still a borrow. I am so bullish like I'm from Chicago. Took all my money up out of where's Fargo. Then if it's a chance, fuck rockin' Gucci, I got on some Vans. In crypto, how about it? Advance. Peer-to-peer transaction, no middleman.
Folks, that's how it's done. And that's how it's done. Now, we locked in $83,000 and solid basic strategy play. It can probably keep going, you know, but I'm not going to lie. I need to get some fucking sleep. And it's Valentine's Day, so I don't want to be a zombie. I need to get my rest, but it's the end of the week. I got my we hit our play. We did it live. We're doing it live. And you can too if you go to marketcyphertrading.com. marketcyphertrading.com, and fucking that's how we get it done, folks. Okay, it's how you do it. All right. Not everyone can handle the truth. Not everyone can handle the truth, and the truth is again, it's not about being right or wrong and being perfect. It's just about taking the cash. I'm starving. I'm gonna eat something, and then I'm going to bed. God bless you. Thank you for being here. And then one last thing, actually, before I forget, super, super important. Actually, two things. Make sure you get your mugs. The marketcyphermerch.com. It's a different website. Marketcyphermerch.com. Oh, we should have stayed in. It's pumping. We should have stayed in. It's pumping right now. Marketcyphermerch.com. And the Antarctic Exchange is now live. I got to post my fucking affiliate links and shit. Don't fucking. There's a bunch of shit I got to do. All these fucking. I'm like tentacle man and all these different businesses. I feel like a fucking shill because every it's like that's why I have to stream. I got to make some videos here because I can't just be a perma shill. You guys think I'm a shilling, but I'm not a shill. I only talk about things that are real and good. I got things that are real, things that are good. Anyways, great trade. Thanks for being here. I'm gonna eat and I'm going to sleep, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy Valentine's.